Hi, I'm Elizabeth Armstrong.
And I'm William Zangwill. Thanks for taking a couple of minutes to hear about our workshop, Problems, Pitfalls, and Common Mistakes in Doing EMDR.
We've created this workshop because during our years of teaching and training, we've noticed that the same challenges keep coming up for our trainees. So we wanted to address them so that you and your clients can benefit even more from the powerful change and healing that EMDR can offer when done well.
Well, let's be honest. Who among us hasn't fumbled a little with resourcing too long, rushed into processing too soon, or just plain avoided the tough stuff? We'll address major issues such as how do I meaningfully and powerfully connect past, present, and future? What do I do when processing stalls? But we'll also cover important but often overlooked fine grained issues such as how do I handle a client who talks forever between sets of BLS?
Our workshop is practical and hands on. We'll walk you through case examples, we'll offer tools for when clients get stuck, and we'll be able to practice some of the strategies together to help you feel more grounded in your EMDR implementation.
And we'll also talk about what not to do, mistakes we've made, seen, and helped other clinicians work through so you don't have to reinvent the wheel.
So, whether you're newly trained or you've been practicing for years, our goal is that you will leave our workshop with more skills, more confidence, and more clarity for your EMDR work. We would love to have you join us Friday, September 12th from 4 p.m. to 5:30 p.m.
Thanks for watching and hope to see you soon.